Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn your photo into a CHIBI stickers pack using Pippit AI. So Pippit AI is an AI creative platform that will help you to generate any creative AI content like maybe AI talking photos, avatar videos, product photo, product showcase, and many more. And in here we will use these platforms to turn your photo into a CHIBI sticker pack. And if you want to try this tool, you can just check the link in the descriptions or pin comment to access this tool. And okay, let's get started. First, just open Pippit AI like this. You will see the home page like this, and then just go to image like this, and then just upload the image that you want to transform like this, and then after that, just write your prompt. Before I already made my prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt if you want, and if you want to create your own prompt, just feel free to create it. And after that, just choose your and then next just choose your AI model that you want to use, and then just choose your resolutions, ratio, and after that just click submit and wait for the process. Okay, like this, you will get the results like this. And okay, you can see the result. It looks so incredible. It looks so cool and cute like this with the different GBs with different expressions like this. It's so cute. And okay, that's it. Next, maybe you can just try this tool yourself. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.